Okay, so as in the last video we have studied about monosaccharides, as we have classified carbohydrates into three types. Alright, monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide, and we have studied about monosaccharide yesterday. So today we are going to study about the polysaccharide. Alright, so let me mention here the topic first, that what we are going to study today. We are going to study oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharides. So before going towards the oligosaccharides, we should look at the term first. What is oligosaccharide? As I told you that what does mean by monosaccharide, mono was only used for the single one, but here oligo is also a Greek word. As mono was the Greek word, so oligo is the Greek word too. Wait, oligo is the Greek word, and oligo means what? Wait, oligo means few. So let me write here, it is few. So here few saccharides would be there. So when we hydrolyze it, we'll make the sucrose or something which is oligosaccharide, we'll make it react with water, it will produce monosaccharides, and the range of the monosaccharide would be 2 to 10. Alright, so let me write here that as well. Wait, let me use the color. Okay, so here these carbohydrates produce, as I told you the range, how many monosaccharides they will be producing. They will be producing 2 to 10 monosaccharides. And when? On the hydrolysis. Wait, saccharides on hydrolysis means when I'll make this monosaccharide, oligosaccharide react with water. So they'll produce what? They'll produce monosaccharide, and the range of monosaccharide would be what? That would be 2 to 10. Hydrolysis means the reaction with water. I hope this is clear to you now. Oligo is the Greek word, oligo means few, and they'll produce 2 to 10 monosaccharides when I'll make oligosaccharide react with water. And these oligosaccharides which contain 2 monosaccharides, like if there would be 2 monosaccharides, wait, let me write this here so that it can be more clear to you. Okay, so if there would be 2 monosaccharides, like if the oligosaccharide is made up of 2 monosaccharide, that is known as, wait, that is known as then disaccharides. Then again, if there are 3 monosaccharides, that would be known as trisaccharides. Wait, let me write that as well. 3 monosaccharides. Wait, let me write this down first. Okay, then here again we have 4 and then 5. I'll tell you those. I'm not going to write those here. Okay, so if we do have 3 monosaccharides, like if the oligosaccharide is made up of 3 monosaccharides, then that would be known as trisaccharide. If there are 3 monosaccharides in the oligosaccharide, that would be known as trisaccharides. Again, if we do have 4 monosaccharides in the oligosaccharide, that would be known as tetrasaccharide. Alright, tetrasaccharide. And if we do have 5, that would be known as pentasaccharide. If we do have 6, that would be known as hexa, then heptasaccharides, then octa, nona and deca. Alright, so these are the naming. Alright, I have told you now. So now we are going towards the reaction. If I'll make oligosaccharide react with water, what thing will be produced? Let's check that. So let me give it the heading first. We are going to see reaction now. Reaction of hydrolysis. hydrolysis. Okay, let's check this reaction first now. So let me write here the reactants, then I'll be writing the products. I hope you people are familiar with these terms, what are reactants and what are products. Okay, let me write this here now. C12H22, wait, H22O11 is the formula of what? Is the formula of sucrose. Alright, and sucrose is what? Sucrose is the oligosaccharide. Wait, let me write that. It is what? It is oligosaccharide. Alright, if I'll make this oligosaccharide sucrose react with water. Wait, now let me write here the H2O, which means water. So I should write this down as well. This is water, as we are going to perform the function of hydrolysis. Here we will have reactant, but let me write here first what we are going to do here. We are going to perform here the hydrolysis. Alright, now what I have done, I have made sucrose or oligosaccharide react with water. What they'll produce two monosaccharides. The one monosaccharide is C6H12O6, which is the formula of glucose. Alright, one monosaccharide is glucose. Alright, and it will produce what? It will produce another monosaccharide as well, and that is C6H12O6 again. O6, and that's the formula of fructose. Like as it told you, what's the difference between fructose and that glucose? Just because of the functional group. Alright, in fructose there was ketonic group, and in the glucose there was aldehyde group. So it is fructose. Alright, so by reacting or by making a sucrose oligosaccharide react with water, what we got in the result, we got two monosaccharides. These are glucose and fructose, which means sucrose is what? Sucrose is the disaccharide, which means it is composed of two monosaccharides. As I told you, the one is glucose and another is fructose. Two monosaccharides, which means sucrose is made up of two monosaccharides, which are glucose and fructose. Alright, so now let me tell you what are the oligosaccharides, like what are the examples of oligosaccharide. So we have sucrose. Wait, let me write here down so that I can be more clear to you. So we have here sucrose, as I told you, the formula C12H22O11. Then here we have maltose. Maltose is also an oligosaccharide. Alright, which is made up of two or more than two monosaccharides. Then here we have lactose. Lactose is what? Lactose is a milk sugar. Alright, so let me write here. Lactose is a milk sugar. So I've written here lactose is a milk sugar and etc. etc. Alright, so these are important member of oligosaccharide. So let me write this here. These all are what? These are all important member of oligosaccharide. Important members of oligosaccharide. So this was all about oligosaccharide. In the next video we'll be talking about the last classified type of the carbohydrate, which is polysaccharide. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll clear this term too, what is polysaccharide. I'll tell you about the reaction as well as its application as well. So this was all about oligosaccharide.